4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking one too. Let's check this out. 1997 Chevrolet Cheyenne 1500 4x4. Listen to this. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile truck. Just a little over 55,000 is all in this 4x4. Underneath the hood, 305 V8 or 5-liter power. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive trans. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on the grille, the bumper, headlight surrounds. Blue-green metallic, or I believe you'll hear it called Laguna green also. All right, still pictures, so you can see this truck from every angle. You're going to be able to see the undersides, and definitely take a look at how clean this thing is on the undersides. Bed, interior, engine bay, unique, classiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on steel wheels, wheel covers. Destination, Firestone radials on there. Those are date-coded 2018, by the way. Paint shows well on this truck. There's a few spots I did notice on the hood where it's almost a little bit thin, a couple blemishes there, one little spot above the wheel well here, but overall, paint has a very nice shine to it. It's not all beat up on the lower rockers. You'll be able to see the underside of the doors in the still pictures. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, it's a 97. You might have an imperfection here or there, but overall extremely clean and well maintained, and I'm going to get into that in just a little bit. Take a look at this interior, how clean that is. Bench seat, stock dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood and stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Beautiful spray and bed liner. Doesn't look like this thing has been worked very much at all. And those panels nice and straight down the box. Tailgate in good shape also. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Of course, receiver hitch. Lighting already wired back here. All right. Some of the recent service work done on this within just the last year, last couple thousand miles. New shocks, new serpentine belt, plugs and wires, distributor cap and rotor, radiator, air filter, fuel filter, tranny flush, and new tranny filter. Heater core was replaced. Catalytic converter replaced, as well as O2 sensors. Brakes are 100% in the front and rear, so those are new. Owner's manual is going to go along with this truck, as well as the window sticker, and you'll see both of those things in the still pictures. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Now, if you like these Chevy trucks, no matter what year, maybe just like trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Something else if you want to do to help us out, if you know somebody that'd be looking for a clean truck like this or interested in one, definitely share this video. That'll help us out. We appreciate it. We appreciate all the followers that we have on YouTube, most definitely. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. So manual windows, manual locks. A lot of the guys are going to like that out there. Door panels look good. You can see this armrest hardly showing any wear at all. Due to the miles, lots of times on these trucks you'll see this vinyl cracked or wearing on the side of the seats. Nope, not on this one. Bolster, great shape. Fabric on the seat also in great shape. This does have tilt column, cruise control, AM FM cassette player, and that is working. Had that going a little bit ago, and I'll show you. Whoops. There we go. All right, there's your exact miles, 50,389. No service engine lights, check engine lights, anything like that. That's your daytime running lamp indicator, and I don't have my seat belt on. That's the other indicator. Gauge is working. It was also a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Battery gauge, fuel gauge, oil pressure, all looking good. And I mentioned stereo system.
He has 1 week, based on clinical studies measuring efficacy.
That is working. Manual transfer case. A lot of guys are going to like that also. Top of the dash. Looking good. Appears this thing was stored indoors. How about that headliner? Imagine that. Great shape. No surprises on this one that I see. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. It's going to make somebody a nice truck. And with the cost of trucks these days, as far as the new ones, these older ones with a lot of life left in them, they're good value, no doubt about that. Let's go ahead and get this hood popped. I think we know what this engine bay is going to look like. I think I should be able to get it one-handed here too. Alright, underside of the hood. And engine bay. Nice and clean and tidy, even the light working on there. And 5-liter, 305, automatic with overdrive transmission, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, just a little over 55,000 original miles in this well-maintained truck. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you want to see exactly how it's equipped, check out the window sticker in with the still pics. Check out those undersides like I mentioned. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Consult with your sales associate. This vehicle may qualify for an extended vehicle service contract, and we definitely look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1997 Chevrolet Silverado regular cab truck. Nice bed liner in this truck. Very good condition inside and out. It's an automatic on the column. All our gauges are reading. This truck showing approximately 55,000 miles on the odometer, and it feels about right. This is a low mile truck from the feel of it too. Cloth bench seating in good condition, steering wheel in good condition. Nice smooth ride on the highway. Our fuel gauge shows a half of a tank. The battery is charging over 14 volts. The oil pressure is between 50 and 55, right around there. The temperature is almost a quarter of the way up from cold. The blower motor works. I do have the heat on today and it's working well on a winter day in Minnesota. But we do wash our vehicles, so we can do these washing videos, these driving videos for you. One of the most dependable trucks, I gotta say, that I've experienced would be this style of truck. Great visibility too, and not oversized like some of those new trucks that it's hard to fit in a parking spot, honestly. Can still do the half-ton work, and maybe even more if you push a little bit, which most people do. Not recommending that. Brakes are nice and smooth, corners well, power steering working as it should, stereo works well. I have not tested cassette, but the FM is working as it should. Nice low idle going down the highway for decent miles per gallon as well. Find all the pictures of this truck over at uniqueclassiccars.com.